few weeks back, I had made a post on Facebook about how I had won a GoPro 10 simply by following and making a purchase of, I think it was a sticker and a t-shirt, I forget, and winning a GoPro 10. And there were doubters. They were like, oh yeah, we'll see it when we believe it. Internet, blah, blah, blah. And I don't blame them. So anyway, here's the box. I've had it for a couple of weeks now. I just hadn't opened it. I was waiting for the right time. And though this isn't the right time, I'm going to go ahead and open it. For the naysayers. Alright, shit. Ooh, paper. Boom. That looks like a GoPro 10 to me. Spin this fucker around. One GoPro 10. And there it is. And, oh god. Oh well. That's the sticker I purchased. Risky Biscuits. Go follow him. The name of the YouTube channel is Tuckergott. He's a paramotor guy that I follow. And I believe one of these shirts is the one I purchased. I might have thrown in another one. Old Bold Pilots. I think it was the yellow one I purchased. I'll probably never wear yellow. But anyway, I'm going to throw this thing on today. Risky Biscuits, Old Bold Pilots. Long story short, I won the GoPro 10. So not everything you see on the internet is fake. Caution, do not report Tuckergott to the FAA. Yep, that's it. And here is the GoPro 10. Mad props to Tuckergott. I've been a fan for a couple of years. I've been following your channel. Eventually I'll get my ass in the air with you guys. But there it is. The GoPro 10 that I won for making a purchase of a t-shirt and a sticker. Well, alright. Later.